intimate nature is about how we are connected with nature, how we are nature, and how we can learn to not consider ourselves as apart from nature, so to speak. And by finding our place in the life, we can appreciate more. We can give our gifts more. And we can stay firm in our center, open in our heart, happy in our minds. And then in this way we can, we can be at peace. We need to learn to remember and to pay attention and to be more here. We need to learn to be more here and to move from